thank you for the gifts. This is the best bachelor party ever.
I thought you'd like tinsel.
I wonder who that is.
Oh, well, why don't you see what's shaking?
How you doing? I'm Jack-hammer.
Can I help you?
Yeah, just came by to let you know I'll be doing some work on the building.
Well, what kind of work?
Well, some plumbing, some hammering, and oh yeah, making you ladies sweat.
Oh my God, guys! I can't believe this. Woo, yeah. So, why do they call you Hammer?
'Cause I love nailing things.
Oh my goodness. Take it off.
Is that what you ladies want, you dirty girls?
Yeah.
Y'all done got me started now. Woo! Here we go. Come on. You like that, don't you, girl?
Yeah, I like it.
You love it, don't you, baby?
I love it.
Spank me, dirty girl.
What?
I said spank me, you dirty girl. Oh,
I'm
shoot.
sorry.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Hey. I don't need your help.
Okay.
Just when I dance, I sweat and it rusts my braces. They lock up sometimes. But hey, just where my lube go? Here, right, give me just a little bit of lube in the right places, and I'm a well-oiled machine. Hit the music, baby. Yeah, get your dollars out, ladies, 'cause it's nasty time. And remember, the bigger the tip, the nastier I get.
I'll go first.
Come on, baby, give it to me. Is this what you want, you dirty girls?
You don't need to do this.
Hey. If I can handle 19 spinal operations, surely I can get you ladies hot. Now, who's ready to get nasty?
We are.
Good. Hit the music, because it is nasty. Oh, here we go.
No. You know, Mr. Hammer, I'm sorry. I think we've seen enough, really.
Yeah, but
Just go.
I didn't get to take my G-string off.
You're gonna take it off?
Yeah.
I think we maybe a little bit more. We could just listen to a little more music.
Cool. Just give me a minute to get ready. Y'all better be ready. Just a few more pumps, and it's gonna be nasty time. Can one of you ladies give